It's FOMC day today, which is exciting. Was able to grab a couple different trades. One trade had extremely low risk and paid out really nicely, so excited about that one. Let's go ahead and dive into the trade recap. If you didn't know, you can watch these things happen live on my main channel, Trades by Matt, every morning at market open. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, today, guys, we got, let's see what we got news-wise. I know we got FOMC later. We got FOMC, 1 o'clock. Press conference at 1:30. What that means is that we probably have a little bit of a weird day ahead of us. Got crude oil inventories at 9:30. We got Chicago PMI at 8:45. So when I'm green lighted to trade, there should be some movement from Chicago PMI. If you trade crude oil, 9:30 is going to have the movement for crude oil. 10:30 auctions might have a little bit of movement. They've been moving a little bit lately. Then at 1 o'clock, we get FOMC, which will have movement guaranteed. It will have movement. And then the 1:30 press conference will also have movement. So very important stuff there to kind of just remember. For me, I'm not planning on trading it, actually. As of right now, I'm not planning on trading any of it. I just don't really want to deal with it today. So I don't know. I might go to the gym or something during it to where I literally can't trade it. It just doesn't sound like a wise thing for me to do right now. Last 3 days have been tough for me. So we'll see kind of what happens, but that's the general vibe there. Daily wise, we're down 1% already. Hello. But yeah, let's have a day. In theory, I mean, we're gonna have a VWAP open, it looks like. So anticipate sideways, and then you anticipate sideways till 8:45. In theory, 8:45 gets a little bit of movement, but we're finally kind of making a move out of that 15-point range on the Nas. That's good. I'm not sold on it though. Like, we get down into 50, it becomes a cheap trade. 48s becomes a cheap trade. Little 1 minute doji. I'm gonna take a quick little stab long here. Floating 47s, just kind of got to get out of it, but right at the 50s. Want to see how we respond. Here's the quick sweep of the low. Ran it by a point or something. Oh, hold up. Yeah, I gotta get out. That's 15 points down. I'm not interested in holding through the sweep of the overnight lows. Heavy candle. Wanted us to continue rotating, but it's a heavy candle. Hello. What is that sweep? It's a 50-point candle almost. Chop for 10-15 points for 20 minutes, and then you drop a 50-point candle in there. Quick chat, it's time. It's officially happening right now. Huzzah. I don't know if I need to save anything here. Save changes. Welcome to the Good Gains. Good Gains Discord. It's official. The official GG, boys. GG. Good gains. What? Why? Welcome to the Good Gains server. There's still some changes happening. The idea is to have it to be like significant. We're still working on stuff also. It's just to be a significantly better walkthrough experience for new people to be able to come in, You can always tag people into scams. Like people will be forced to read this section on like fake accounts and not having your DMs open and stuff like that. I have like all of like, we're going to have tagged videos. So if you want to watch the recaps, you can just click recaps and the daily recap will be here, etc. If you want to watch some shorts, you can do that. All of that will live here in the TBM video section. TPH, Trading Platform Help, still lives down there. We got trading plans, daily trading plans that will pop up. So you can trade, like if you're doing futures, for instance, like you can go and see Gary's like trade plan for the day, things like that. General chats up here like always. We have potentially trying to figure out potentially rocking with the wick test alerts in here and things like that. We obviously have voice channels down here as well. But yeah, that's the general plan right now. Should be very clean. It should help newer people out as well and just kind of get rid of a lot of stuff. So there you go. If you want to join Discord, it's free. You can just type in ! Discord or it's linked down below. I mean, this is a cheap long down here with Delta going like it is. 83, risk 5 points. I'm going to try it. This is pretty aggressive, but we have Delta going crazy. I'd much rather be short right now, FYI, but I don't really want to be short at 88. So I'm risking 3 points, 60 bucks on this long with Delta going nutty down here. So there you go. I'm risking $60 in order to hopefully make more money, right? That's the whole point of trading. Back to the top of the range. Want to watch 300 here, and hopefully we can push right into initial balance. That would be great. Got the 10 o'clock close coming up in 30 seconds as well. And look at this. I'm still going to have the IBL exit, assuming we do push into it, just because it's a clean exit. Maybe this is the bottom of the session. I don't know. I kind of don't think so, but I like the IBL exit for sure. Assuming we get up there, but it looks, I mean, it kind of looks prime for it. Top of the range here at 07. Need a little bit more oomph to pop 07. We pop 07, we run IBL. My opinion. We run into initial balance low. Want to see us hold it though. Trying. Looking for like 10 more points here. We got a 100 block at 06. Looking for like 10 more. Less than 10 points now. About 10 points. Trying. I will be running a 10% rule here. So if we get close, I'll just go ahead and kill it. $100 away. And that's close enough for me. We got to like 16 there. I was like $40 away. Just go ahead and kill it at the top there on the flush out. If I, you know, I love that trade.